What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. So if you have an old iPhone and if you want to know how you can just back up and restore all of your data from your old iPhone to your new iPhone using iTunes, then this is the video for you, because in this video we're going to go ahead and show you how easily you can do the process. Now, to do the process, all you need to get, obviously, you need to use a computer with iTunes. If you're using Windows, you usually can install your iTunes either from Google or Microsoft Store. And now, the first things we're going to be telling you to do is simple. You need to back up all of the file from your old iPhone to your computer. Make sure to use that authentic cable to connect your old iPhone to your computer. As you guys can see right here, we have that Apple's authentic cable that we're going to use to this old iPhone. So what I'll do, I'll basically plug it in, and afterward I'll plug it to the computer as well. As soon as you do it, you will get a pop-up on your old iPhone. Now go ahead and hit trust. Now go ahead and enter your device passcode. Now I'm gonna leave this device right here. I'll start working on the computer. Now on your computer, you'll also get a pop-up. On the pop-up, go ahead and click continue to access your device to your computer. As soon as you do it, it will allow your iPhone to your computer. Now all you gotta do is just go ahead and click your iTunes. And after you just open up your iTunes, on top of your screen on your computer, you will see this little tiny mobile icon. Go ahead and click on there. And then you will see your device right there. Now, to back up your files from your old iPhone, the things you gotta select, you have to come to this backup options and click this computer. You also can do that backup on your iCloud account, but the problem is iCloud only has 5 GB to offer. It can make the problem if you have more than 5 GB to store. Now all you can do, just go ahead and click your computer and you simply can click backup now. But before you go ahead and do that, make sure to encrypt your backup, which is recommendable for you, but you also can do it without encrypting your backup. Since it is important, we will just encrypt our data with the password. So set the password if you want to encrypt your data. So I'll just set the password for that. Now after you enter the password, make sure to take a note of the password, because that password will be needed later on. Now after that, go ahead and click set password. Alright guys, now your backup process has started taking place on your computer. Now let's go ahead and wait unless your process is done. Alright guys, so that process can take a little long depending on how many files that you are backing up on your computer. Now be patient and keep waiting unless your process is done. Alright guys, now as soon as you backed up all of the data and content from your old iPhone on your computer, then you will be able to transfer them directly to your new iPhone. Now after that, all you can do, you need to check and you gotta make sure that whether you have backed up your files on your computer or not. Now to make sure, now all you want to do, just go ahead and click your iTunes, and then you will get this option called preference. Go ahead and click on your preference, and then you will find this options called device. Now go ahead and click on your device and check your last backup. So our today's backup is right there, so that means our backup has successfully completed. Now let's go ahead and do the further process in terms of just transferring them from the old iPhone to the new iPhone. Now I'm just going to go ahead and just take it out, and I'll start doing the process with that new iPhone. So let me just take it out from here. Now let's go ahead and get started with that new iPhone. Now to start doing the process with your new iPhone, the first things you gotta do is simple. Just go ahead and swipe it up and select your language and select your country. Now once you're here, go ahead and tap setup manually and go ahead and choose your network. Tap continue to the data and privacy. Now set up your Face ID if you want, but we will set it up later. Create a passcode for your iPhone. Now re-enter the same passcode. Now once you're here, all you want to do, you just want to tap restore from Mac or PC. And now just go ahead and tap restore from Mac or PC. Now once you're here, all you gotta do is just go ahead and connect your iPhone to your Mac or computer with iTunes. So what I'll do, I'll just connect it by using this original USB-C to Lightning cable, and I'll place it in. Now as soon as you do it, I'll just leave it on this computer, and then I'll start doing the process with the computer. On this computer, you'll get automatically this pop-up, and all you gotta do is just go ahead, select your restore from backup. You actually can set up as a new iPhone since we're making this video for restoring this backup, so we'll choose these options. And also on this drop-down menu, you can just choose that backup file. Since we had the last backup with this Apple's iPhone, we will select the last backup to do the process. And once you've done that, then I'll just go ahead and click continue. Now go ahead and enter your encrypted password that you have set it while you are doing the process with your old iPhone. Afterward, go ahead and tap OK. As soon as you do it, your restore will get started from your computer to your new iPhone. Now wait unless your process is get done. Well, as soon as you see these options, now your iPhone will take auto restart and your process will be done. So now let me just go ahead and grab the new iPhone right here. As you guys can see, now it is restarting. Now wait unless your iPhone get back on the main screen. Alright guys, now let's go ahead and continuously do the process on our iPhone. So what I'll do, I'll swipe it up and I'll enter the device passcode. Now after that process, now go ahead and enter your passcode one more time. Now it says restore completed. Now go ahead and tap continue. Well, now it is asking for the Apple ID password, so I'll skip this stage and I'll tap skip. And now it is updating iCloud settings. Now go ahead and tap agree to the terms and conditions. Tap agree. Now go ahead and continuously set up your process. Now I'll just go ahead and enable the location if you want, but I'll tap disable location. I'll tap OK. Now set up your Apple Watch if you have any, so I'll tap setup later. Now go ahead and tap share with app developer if you want, but I'll tap don't share. Now go ahead and just select your display zoom, so I'll tap continue. Now it says welcome to iPhone, so I'll swipe it up. Alright guys, so as you guys can see now our process is done and all of your applications is now available on your new iPhone. Now I'm just going to go ahead and do a little comparison like how many apps we have on here from our old iPhone and whether we have received all of these important files or not. Alright guys, so our backup is completed and now as you guys can see we have every single same application on our new iPhone which was coming from the old iPhone, and the best part is even they are in the same specific order. And same happens on your photos. Let me just open up the photos from here. Right here as you guys can see we have the same photos on this both iPhone. It seems to be working for every single thing has been attached for successfully. But the last things you gotta do, you need to install the application which was installed, which were third-party application for your old iPhone. Alright guys, so this is how you can transfer all of your data from your old iPhone to your new iPhone using your iTunes on your computers. Alright guys, hope this video is useful. If so, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to get more useful video content for yourself. Thanks for watching and see you next time.